Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. In this video, we shall be focusing on explaining what is Python. So Python is a higher level programming language and it is used by programmers to design and write set of instructions which can be understood by computer. And these instructions, they are called programs. So these programs are designed using Python. So Python is used for a wide variety of applications which include web development, data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. So in this course, we shall be focusing on learning how to use Python programming language in machine learning and in artificial intelligence. Why you should use Python in machine learning and artificial intelligence? It is because Python, it is easy to learn because of its simple syntax. That makes even easier for beginners to learn. And Python is an open source programming language, so anyone can use Python. You can modify it, you can make some changes that can meet your needs. And the good thing about using Python in machine learning and artificial intelligence, it's because we have a lot of data. There is a lot of resources, a lot of information out there with regard to Python. So in other words, we are saying we have a large community. We have a lot of developers or a lot of programmers around the world who actually knows and understand Python. So we can share resources, we can discuss, and we can understand one another. So it is a very good programming language to begin with. I think this is all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson. Bye bye.